what does a kitchen remodel entail with KCBR? So the initial start of everything is the phone call and getting to know what you're looking to complete with your kitchen project, whether that's a full remodel and kind of replacing and all new things, or maybe you're looking to keep some of the existing features of your kitchen and more of just like a refresh. So we'll really get to know you. We'll schedule a consult to come out. It's a designer and Anthony. We have 4 in-house designers at KCBR. We also self-perform a lot of our work and have our craftsmen and project management in-house, which is one of the big things that set us apart is our team really all on the same page, working together. We utilize a software called Builder Trend, which also creates a really efficient process and experience for our clients. There's a lot of moving parts involved with kitchen remodels, so all these things kind of play a part in creating this really good experience. So as we then get to come out for that consult, we are taking a look at the space, talking through the goals of this project and what you're looking to achieve. We'll get a scan of the space with our technology to get all the measurements and stuff too. After our designer and Anthony meet with the client at their home and go over their project details, the next step would then be to create a product portfolio and estimate, which we do charge for, just so we can put in that intentional time that your project deserves. You are credited that amount towards your project should you move forward with KCBR. And when we are putting that together, this is to create a very clear scope of work so you have a really good understanding of the costs for the products and the type of products that we're kind of pricing out for you. Doesn't mean it's like the true style of everything, but like the level and product like quality and all those details that go within this kitchen remodel. And then you have the estimated cost of labor and everything plugged in. So this is really allowing our clients to have a good understanding of what this project will look like and to avoid having issues of us like rushing through an estimate and then later on you're going through design and all of a sudden you're going way over what you thought. We're putting all that intentional effort on the front end because it's really important with what we do. So once everything is ready, at that point we actually go over it together here in the showroom to talk through it, and then if you are ready to move forward from there, we'll do our contract signing. We'll also do like a tutorial of your builder trend. We'll start to schedule out your true design selection appointments, and we will talk through kind of like our process a little bit more in depth, the lines of communication, thinking about prepping for your project and kind of all the notes we need to take on our end. So we do all this to just make sure it's a really smooth kickoff to the start of the project. When we go through your true design selection appointments, those are here at our showroom. We've got such great examples of things. We have our true kitchen showroom here too, which gives you ideas of functionality and how you want your kitchen cabinets to perform for you. And so lots of great examples there, and then aesthetic examples too, to ensure you're getting the type of cabinet look you're wanting, whether it's traditional, classic, or custom, or trendy. We will be able to point you in the right direction and guide you to create that perfect kind of kitchen for you. We have technology and renderings that will give you true examples, so you're not questioning, the looks of anything. We'll get it just right, and we continue to just move forward with our process. The nice thing with us having our design and craftsman, project management, all within one team, we all are communicating together. We utilize Builder Trend software that has a really organized way of storing all the information of your project through this process, creating a transparent experience. And as we move into your construction, we have a really trustworthy, awesome, and passionate team. I can't stress the importance of just that part. These are people that are in your home for a pretty long duration of time. That is a disruption to your normal day-to-day. Just trusting the people that are going to be in your home, and you can, without a doubt, trust that you'll enjoy, meeting our team, everyone you kind of interact with. We take a lot of pride in who we are, our passion, and delivering the best outcome for our projects or for our clients and a really good experience.